Wagwan viewers and subscribers, when you remember Tamale music video them, it have gone in night. Alkaline music video, after all, it have gone in night. Massacre, Dexter Daps, all of them artists that the police them a call them out now say yo, wanna stop put guns in the music video when I send a bad message. The head of the corporate communications unit in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Stephanie Lindsay, is warning recording artists against the practice of using guns as props in music videos. According to Lindsay, the practice has been growing in recent times and is not a positive representation of the music industry. It does not speak well for your career and it's best not to do such a thing. Because people in high places are looking. If people perceive you as a risk, you will be held accountable. We have seen where persons have been blocked from visiting other countries because of the images they portray. Gun laws are taken very serious in some foreign countries, so artists have to be mindful of what they do. Despite the fact that the issue has already reached the police's radar, no charges have been laid. So that's the good thing. No charges have been laid as yet, but them I warn them. So now me I wonder if any more music video can be released with these type of guns. Because Alkaline plan for release the After All music video part 2. And surely that I got have guns, so Jay will have a problem there, but maybe them can work something out still. But me I go continue read on what she has say. Artists like Dexter Daps, Massacre and Alkaline have used props resembling guns in the videos for songs like Owner, Infrared and After All respectively. So you have more artists out there, cause like Tamale always use them type of things too. But I guess through him not really recent, she never remember him to mention him. But she mentioned the recent songs that go viral. Stephanie Lindsay sent a strict warning to the artists who are guilty of the practice. Lindsay further stated that some of the props used in the music videos could potentially be real weapons. She also said no permits have been given locally for some of the weapons featured in the videos. Therefore, possession of such guns is strongly prohibited. So she has said, yo, no permit never did given to some of the guns. So it's like when a man shoot a music video and him get permit for 1 or 2 of the guns. When the music video done shoot and the police themselves watch it, them see more than what them get permit for. So it's like that really I go on to. And as she stated, locally, like After All music video and Infrared music video. And them fear that some of the guns them what them don't get permit for real. It can potentially be real guns and them don't know. And when them watch the music video them and them see a type of gun, them say, oh no man, this look too real. This is a fake gun. And them never get permit for that. So what go on? Yo, we are going to clamp down on them because something really up and we don't know what go on with them gun here. Or with them money where I use the gun them as props. So them want to put a stoppage to it because and that's something where them really can control. So they make sure contact all of the artists them where them know I put these props in them videos and tell them say, yeah, we just don't want it in it, none at all. It bad for our career and it bad for we because we don't know how go on. You see me? So them want to stop it. Make me know what I think if it really are going to stop because a Jamaica Constabulary Force, you know. So them are going to put in for them new law. So I don't think the new law they can bend unless some agreement is done, because remember, you know, them already put some measurements into place with the artists them where do these practices, and the artists them allegedly use other weapons where them not get permit for, and that the police them a talk about say, oh, them a give them permit for these number of weapons, and yet still them a say more weapons where them not get permit for. But my opinion is, a prop is a prop, and if you are going to limit the amount of prop where you can use to tell a story, then your imagination are going just incomplete. All the story are going incomplete. It come like you walk in a one restaurant and you read the menu and you see everything there. And when a time for place your order, them are going to tell you say you can't get that or you can't get that. And yeah, I agree say crime is high in Jamaica and it a paint a bad image, but gun song them still a release. Action movies still a release. And everybody have connection to the internet now, so them can literally see everything what them want to see. Literally. So even if them are going to tell the local artists them say, yo, you can't put no more weapons in your music videos as props, it still not going to lower the crime rate in a Jamaica, because to me, these are just music videos, you know, and everybody know that music is art. And that's why these artists, I use them music videos to tell a story. How it wouldn't look if you tell Snow White, say, hey, your story name 7 dwarfs, but you only can get 6 because the law say you only can get 6. How that story they are gonna look? The story are gonna spoil, so them have to use these kind of props to tell them story, whether it's gun or knife or whatever them are use as them prop, if it's even a plate. It no make sense you ban these kind of props out of music video. I'm sure that now go lower a crime rate in Jamaica. But me are just one person, and that's my opinion. I want to way I watch the viewers comment and tell me what you think about the new law here, where them want implement say no more guns in a music video, no more dangerous knives or whatever illegal in a music video. Just keep it clean. And yes, we like clean. But if a certain song I gotta sing and I tell a story, we want to see the visual what the story I tell. Really and truly, I just don't want to go back to the days where you see an artist wrap up him finger with a black scandal bag and make it look like him have a gun on him, or him hold up him shirt and make it look like him have a gun. No, we're reaching a 2017 now, so that's not supposed to be a problem. And as Miss Lindsay said, she contacted Alkaline, Massacre, etc. and gave them strict warning not to use these props in their future music videos. So what Jamaican music videos are going to be like in the future now? Because we step up out of the foolishness, the foolish plastic round finger and those type of things, and gone to replica of guns. But she is scared, and the Jamaica Constabulary Force say them scared, say them a use potential real guns where them not get permit for. So that's our next problem. But now me I wonder where it go really go to now. We are go back to the foolishness and the scandal bag and the black tape and finger and one bag of full music video again. No man, a joke thing this. I like where this a lead. I would love for have the artists them a tell them story in our music video. And as I say, it's called a story. It's not something real where people are go get influenced by and want act like them artists in the music video. No, them prefer act like a actor. At the show them, at the movie them are the most influential factor in this game. And speaking of games, the video games them too, those play a main role. The video games them and the movie. Not some little 3-minute, 4-minute music video where an actor I use a little prop for help tell him story. No, that not gonna have an impact like where an hour's worth of movie would have or hours worth of playing video games. So if you are gonna really say yo, you want something for ban from Jamaica, because remember Jamaica we're really business bout. At Jamaica the police are talk about. Then put some measurements in those type of games, then certain type of games and certain type of movie. Not the music video them or the artists them a try show them art. You gotta really stop them. It come like I know one artist them a go name again. It's just a ist. So taking away certain props from an artist, you take away him art and just leave him to be a ist. Really, I'm not trying to be funny. So I don't really think that necessary, especially if you're a music video. Yes, we business about Jamaica. Yes, we business about the crime them and everything where you go on. Yes, the artists them know, say them a paint a bad image for certain countries because a whole heap of people all over the world I watch them. But then again, at 2017 this, everybody really do the same thing. If you check out most music videos, most international music videos, if them a show a prop, them show the prop. Might be no more, no shootout, no for really a go on, but that are just part of telling the story too. So we can't bash out the part there. Yes, them can show it a look one time and use it enhance them storytelling, but wanna see them wanna promote the like Better Must Come shows like that. Wanna see them wanna promote the show and I say yeah, and that show they have a lot of violence in it and it a come off a true story. So when the artists them a do them little music video and a one true story is a fictional story. So leave them alone, man. That are my opinion still. If you feel like say this are gonna really help Jamaica, then please leave on a comment. If you really think say stopping these props in music video are gonna really help Jamaica. But my personal opinion is video games, movies, the internet overall a bigger problem for a small music video. So I just that me think. And if them scared say the artists them a use real gun, then just ban some artists or give them a 3-time strike or something. You see me? But yeah, I don't know the thing going on. No nice like how bingo. Man wicked. Man tough.